here at Outcome Golf Club with Johnny Boker from JA Boker. He's going to show us how to backlap a cylinder mower.
Yeah, alright. Well, what we've got here, we've got a Baroness. This is a greens mower for golf greens. It's used this time of year because a lot of times greens mowers can't get around a lot of courses, so people use pedestrian machines. Really, it's ready for a regrind, but we're going to use it for the purposes today, just to show you how to backlap, just to try and get an edge back on your cutting cylinder and your bottom blade. In no way, really, is backlapping ever going to come close to what a regrind will do. When a cylinder and bed knife are reground, there's specific angles put on your bed knife and on your cylinder, depending on what kind of grind you have on your cylinder, whether it's relief grinding or spin grinding. Basically, all this does is to wear the two edges back together. It's very rare that you can get them cutting without contact, as they should do, but sometimes it'll get you out of the muck if you're struggling to get your machine in for a full regrind. So I'll just show you how it goes, really. What we've got a special, this is a Charterhouse backlapping machine. Basically all it does is turn your cylinder backwards. That's all this does. You can use one of these, you can do it by hand if you like. It's pretty labour intensive, but if you don't have anything like this, or some electrical way of turning your cylinder backwards, then a speed brace and an extension is probably just as good, but it is a slow job with that. The next thing you'll need is a brush, a rag, and you want backlapping paste. It's a specialist paste. It keeps these, I think these are silicon carbide granules, keeps these suspended in this gel. It basically keeps it stuck to the cylinder as it's going around, and in there it's like sandpaper. It's the same stuff you get on sandpaper or emery paper. It just adheres to the cylinder and it helps put that edge back on as it's spinning backwards. So I'll show you what to do. So first things first, we'll turn this machine on. There's no contact now. We've backed it off. I know it's even on both sides, but it's just touching. So basically, once we turn this machine on, you need to get your brush with your backlapping paste on. Literally backlap it. It'll start backlapping. You just brush it on evenly all the way across. You can hear it now, even though there's not much contact between the two faces, you can hear that it's doing its job. It's getting in there and it's grinding. It's in effect grinding both edges to hold them both together. So you keep brushing it on. And let it do its work. Right, so in effect, we've let it work. I mean, backlapping does take a while. It takes quite a while to do, but you can hear now that it's quieting off. You'll do this several times, and what you'll do is you're going through, you'll adjust the machine to bring the cylinder and bottom blade closer together. And again, that just adds more tension, and what you'll do, you'll keep doing this. And periodically, you'll keep stopping it, and you'll get your rag, and you'll wipe your cylinder, and you'll just see that it's starting to work. Now, obviously, this does take a while, so for the purposes of this, we'll just say that we've got the desired result there. And now, what you do, you'd set the cylinder on cut, like in the previous video that we've shown. And to be fair, that's really about it. It does take time, and never use this in placement of a proper regrind, because like I say, you're just not getting the same result. You're just wearing both edges together instead of actually regrinding it properly. But like I say, if you find your mower goes dull, it will get you out of the muck. So There we are, that's about it. Cheers.
Thanks, Johnny.